Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.34, Shroud or Filler. The shroud is a decorative filler or surround. A shroud is a design feature similar to fillers that are used to transition a fixture finish to the site surrounding finish or other fixtures. The shroud buttons are on the shroud elevation. The shroud section number is 1. Fixture cost is calculated separately and it starts with section 1. The only shroud cost workup sheet is 1 SHRD S1. The entire shroud is defined and the cost is calculated as a single feature. The shroud cost should be calculated on its own. The shroud cost can be incorporated into the fixture. Click a shroud dimensions button on any sheet and the prompt will appear and prompt for the dimensions of the one shroud. A shroud is not detailed in the instructions example. This example 1.1.34 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.35.